Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to a London session. We already have quite a few of you on the live already. We have Mahfuzar, Brett Tom, 3 a.m. Trades, Brett underscore FX. Welcome, everyone. If you're watching for the first time and you're new to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Before we get started with the analysis, all I ask is that you click on the like button of the stream. Let's get to about 10 likes if we can. So let's see how many likes we're on right now. What's up, Ichigo and Debbie Arrow Trades FX? Welcome back, Adam. How's everyone doing? Have you guys taken a trade already? Let me know if you're in a trade already. Let me know. I do believe some of you are in a gold trade. Let me know if you went long or short on gold as well. Any idea why this is happening? What do you mean, Pratam? Let me know. Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. Just wait for the team to get back to you. Watching your stream from college. It's nice. All right, let's get started. We're going to look at gold. We're going to also look at different pound pairs. Let's see if we have any potential trade setups. Okay. After my analysis, we can definitely do a Q&A. So if there's any particular questions that you have, save it for after the analysis. And stay tuned for the giveaway. We're going to be doing a giveaway on this stream. Okay. Yeah, let's get started. So gold right now, just in between these two levels of 4210 and 4140. And like I always say, if price is in between two zones, wait for it to play out. Wait for it to break above or break below. Okay, don't trade when it's in between. It's just very it's basically just consolidating at this point. Okay. So essentially what we're looking for is a break and a close above 4210, 4210, or a break and close below 4138. Okay, until we get price to break above or break below, pretty much there's no trade setup with gold. Okay, at least in my opinion. Okay, so it's just a wait and see game at this point. If these two levels, price can get to it and break, whether it's the resistance or the support, I do believe there's potential trades to be taken. But right now, I would advise not trading with gold. So yeah. Okay, so very simple with gold right now. I would highly not advise you place any trades until price can touch these two levels. Okay, so with gold, that's all I'm waiting for at the moment. We'll come back to gold though shortly. I want to go look at some pound pairs. Someone said the volume is low. Is it my? Oh, oh, you mean the market? I thought you said my volume's low. All right. So we have pound JPY here. Yesterday, I did say that if pound JPY can close above 207,188, we will go long potentially on pound JPY. That did not happen. Price did break below 206,570. Um, and so right now, I would just say wait for a close below this level, 206,389. If price, let me lower that a little bit. If price can close below 206,386, then I do believe there is a potential short opportunity, with the first target potentially being 205,510. Okay, all we need is price to close below. We may take a short position, and the first target would be 205, 530 potentially. Hey there, life in motion. All right, next up we have pound USD. Okay, pound USD in between these two levels. Highly would advise staying out until price can either close below 1.31860 or close above 1.32355. Until price can go to either level, I would highly advise staying out, because it's in between these two zones. Okay, when price is in between resistance and support and it's right in the middle, I always advise waiting for price to move. Hey Dooney, I won a 10K on your live and I can't claim it and you're not replying. What's the reason why you can't claim it? Love Day, let me know. Okay, next up we have pound Swiss. Pretty much consolidation with pound Swiss. I would only take a look at pound Swiss if we can get a close above 1.06754. So yeah, nothing there. All right, next up we have pound CAD. Pound CAD, I would just wait for a close below 1.85285. If you're looking for a potential short opportunity, I do believe there could be a lot of the pound pairs potentially heading down either today or sometime next week, based on how it's moving. Not 100%, but based on how some pound pairs are moving, we could have short-term short setups. Okay, with that being said, with pound CAD, What I would look for if I was to consider going short, with the target being down here, 1.84364 roughly, I would wait for a close below 1.85299. If we can get a close below 1.85299, would be a nice short opportunity to 1.84359. Say so. Yeah, that's for pound Canadian dollar. Have you taken any trade today as the market is in a very bad move? No, I haven't taken any trades today. Um, Especially with gold. Like I said before, it's just a wait and see game. I don't like trading when the market is pretty much moving sideways. I feel like it makes no sense. Okay. Next up, we have pound New Zealand dollar. So with pound New Zealand dollar, I would just say wait for price to come to 2.31800. 2.31800, if we can get a close above that level, would be a nice long trade setup with targets being 2.32796. Like I mentioned yesterday, I do see with pound New Zealand price heading towards 2.32796. Okay. But what I'm looking for is a close above this level before we enter a long position. We have next up pound AUD, Australian dollar. Yeah, with pound AUD, pretty much, you know, like I said with gold, if price is in between support and resistance and it's right in the middle, roughly, I would highly advise staying out. So, what I would say is with pound AUD, would be interesting to monitor what happens if it closes below 2.02380. Potentially could be a short opportunity going to 2.01570. However, what we're looking for is either a break and a close above 2.03107, or a break and a close below 2.01540. So yeah, pretty much nothing there with pound AED. Do you guys trade any pound pairs? Let me know. Comment on the chat. If you trade any pound pairs, which pair is it? Let me know. Wait, you guys only trade gold? Let me know. Gold only. Okay. Only gold. Okay. I didn't know some of you guys only trade gold. All right, next up we have USD JPY. Yeah, like I said yesterday, these two levels still exist. The levels that I'm talking about is 155.822 and 156.671. What I need to see with USD JPY is a break and a close below this top level or a break and a close below this bottom level. Until then, price is pretty much moving sideways and I'm not interested. Okay. When price is consolidating, it makes no sense entering a trade. Okay. Saves you the headache, it saves you being in a trade for longer than necessary. So yeah, pretty much nothing now with USD JPY. We have Euro USD. I believe I mentioned yesterday that if we get a close below 1.15764, potentially we could short to 1.15290. However, with the way price is moving right now, there's a reason why I didn't take the trade. It's because of the volume. I feel like when I always advise monitoring trades when you have certain key levels that you're looking for price to break. Don't just take a trade right after. But with Euro USD, I wouldn't I wouldn't take this trade. I feel like it's a B setup. Okay. I prefer A or A plus setups. So yeah, let's just see though. We're gonna monitor it. I'd be interested to see go Euro USD go to 1.16104 and close above. Yeah, that would be interesting. Do you trade crypto? No, I don't trade crypto. Yesterday I won a giveaway account. I opened ticket in Discord and they said the result is not published. Yeah, I'll send the names. I have to send the names of the winners. I'll send that after the stream. Your mic is looking good. Appreciate it. Life in motion. New Zealand dollar. Um, let's just see how price moves with New Zealand dollar. I'm not a fan of it right now. And we are back to gold. Everyone's favorite pair right now. Like I said, with gold, I want to see a break and a close above 4,210 or a break and a close below 4,141. Dini, give me 50K futures account, please. Good day, hard pill. All right. Now that we're waiting for gold to kind of move, um, I'll be happy to answer any trading questions that some of you may have. So if there's any particular trading questions that you have, now's the time. Why do I use IC market for gold? I use Awanda. I just like the price, the data on IC markets. Fish or Alex, just speak to the support team. Dini, sir, I'm Joker. I'm here. You said come back in the next stream. Send me a DM, Joker. Do you recommend? Let me see this question. Do you recommend any book or movie related to trading which will help me with my trading knowledge? In terms of books or movies, I personally haven't watched any trading movies or read any trading books. I feel like with me, and some of you may relate, I feel like I learn better, especially when it comes to trading. I'd have to watch a YouTube video. Okay, I'd have to watch a YouTube video, something a little bit more hands-on. Okay, reading a book, really, like I wouldn't have learned it. Your Insta ID, it's at AlphaDini. Have you ever used an AI to assist you in trading? Um, no, I haven't used an AI to trade. I think that there's a lot of opportunity when it comes to AI in general. So it's going to be interesting to see how that applies in the trading space. What's your weekend plan? And what do you do in the weekend? Because I have nothing to do. Good question, Pretam. So when it comes to the weekend, usually for me, I don't believe in time off. I feel like, especially when you're an entrepreneur and a business owner, there's pretty much no downtime. Okay. I mean, there can be, but I don't believe in just completely shutting off for the weekend. So typically, my routine stays the same. I do have my non-negotiables. Um, yeah, I do have my non-negotiables. So working out, okay, getting my steps in every single day. That can range from 10 to 13K steps. That helps. If you're a trader, one thing someone asked me before, what's a habit that helps? Forget about trading in life as well. It helps in all areas, especially with trading, is going on a walk. Going on a 2-hour walk will not only clear your mind, but you'll be more sharp. When you sleep, you're sleeping deep. So that means um, you can make quick critical decisions, right? Because trading at the end of the day, you're either buying or you're selling or you're staying out. So those are three decisions that you have to make. You're either not taking the trade or you're buying or you're selling. So those decisions require you to be sharp. Okay. You can't be slouchy. You can't be, full of thoughts. So that's why I recommend going on a walk. Apart from that, in terms of the weekend, I would say like what I advise is just be active in the gym, and then yeah, whatever you do after is what you decide to do. But in terms of me, my non-negotiables, I still work out, still get some work done apart from trading. Um, and yeah, just unwind as well. You know, Sunday is usually the time that I do that. Walking certainly has a bunch of benefits if you walk the right way. Yeah, so many benefits. Your body, your mind actually tricks you into feeling more accomplished. It's like I don't know the word for it, the term for it, but if you research it, you actually feel way better and way more sharp when you go on a walk rather than being on TikTok for 2 hours. Okay, that's not good. Your dopamine is fried. Okay, that's what TikTok does to you, and being on your phone all the time. So you need to get used to doing hard things. Every single day, whether it's the weekend or not, you should get used to the idea of, doing what's difficult. Okay. Not many people do what's difficult, or not, maybe they don't do it long enough. Brett said, lag issue. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, just put one in the chat. Yeah, blood circulation, 100%. You can't be on your desk and not moving. That's messing you up. Okay. If you feel like when you're on the charts, you're a little bit anxious and your mind's not clear, go on a walk. It's going to clear your mind. Okay. Don't be doing 5, 10 minutes. Go do it for an hour and a half or two hours and a half. How much time will you give for yourself when you have a losing streak? Alex, it depends. It really depends. If you have a losing streak, what I advise is not necessarily about, a set amount of time. It's more so when you feel like taking the next trade, you're not taking it out of, let me, make back my losses, right? Let me let me revenge trade. If you're not coming with that mindset, then really it doesn't matter about the time. You just have to be mentally able to take the next trade with full confidence and not, you know, do anything different compared to the last time. So that totally depends on you. How quickly can you get over a loss? If you're abundant and you have an abundant mindset, you'll be like, you know what? I may have lost 2000 on this trade, but I will make it back. You should treat this like a game almost. Money is a game essentially, right? So you shouldn't have the opinion of, oh, I've lost and I'm never gonna make it back. Treat it like it's a game. Okay, I've lost 2K. I'll make it back. I'll break even. Then I'll be having a winning trade and will make it back and some more. So yeah, I feel like that's very important as a trader. You can't be a trader that's very tight with money in terms of mindset. You're not willing to lose, okay? You have to be willing to lose to be able to win. No risk, no reward. What business have you invested in? Because I want to surround myself, business which it revolves around trading. What will you suggest as a businessman? Pratam, yeah, highly depends on you. I would say treat everything, take it one step at a time. Be profitable. Yeah, no risk, no Ferrari, no risk, no Lambo, 100%. But treat everything like steps. Okay, if you're going up the stairs, you don't jump from one step to step 100. You don't do that, okay, unless it's Superman. But you take one step at a time, one foot forward after the other. So the reason why I'm saying that, be very successful at doing one thing. No risk, no Rolls Royce for me. Yeah. But yeah, be very successful at doing one thing, okay, per time. And then you can invest in whatever business makes sense to you, whether it's real estate or tech or whatever makes sense for you. You can figure that out. But if you can master trading, the same rules kind of apply or trickle on in terms of business, right? You want to be able to manage your capital, the risk, the overhead, um, and also what you stand to gain, the profit. So there's a lot to take away from trading itself. The emotional control or the management that trading teaches you as well, to be able to lose and not have nightmares, essentially. Um, if your losses are so big that you're frustrated after a bad trade and angry to make your money back through revenge trading, you're probably risking too much than you're willing to take 100%. Listen, the thing about trading is you get to decide what you risk. Okay? Like to the penny, to the dollar, like to the cent, you decide what you want to risk per trade. If you're sweating after a loss, you've just set your risk way too high. Okay? You put it at a number that you're not willing to, be okay with. That's your fault. Don't be setting your stops at prices where you would be very disappointed if price was to hit stop loss. That makes no sense. Your price will definitely hit stop loss at one point. There's always going to be a losing trade. The point in trading is to not aim to never lose. It's to aim to lose but still be profitable overall. Risk management is more important in trading, 100%. The market does not care for your needs, your financial situation, none of that. 100%. Part of risk management, not a lot of people talk about this. Part of managing your risk can also be not taking a trade early. Okay. Not taking a trade early. Adam, what was your question or your comment? Part of risk management is not taking trades early. Okay, you're you're entering trades prematurely, way before your setup has actually um like shown up properly in the charts. It's like, for example, gold right now. Gold, you and I both know, is in between two levels and is kind of consolidating at this point. Okay. Entering now is you trying to get in early. You stand to risk a lot more. Okay. Brett underscore effects. How much you risk depends on the rules, and then what you're willing to risk depends on your strategy. Gold is in stuck and stack mode, yeah. 5% is fine to risk. No, I wouldn't recommend you risk 5% per trade. Marvel. I won a funded account yesterday. Yeah, 4G. After the stream, I'm going to send the team the list of names of the winners from yesterday's stream. So do contact support after the stream ends. Who's ready for some giveaways today? Let me know if you're ready. Have you ever thought about moving to futures? No, I feel like I just have like what I have going on right now is just working for me, to be honest. You can trade crypto, futures, whatever, stocks as well, but to be honest, doing more in trading doesn't result in more. Sometimes doing less makes you more. You don't have to trade everything to make more. All right, you guys are ready. I like that. You guys are ready. All right. So all you have to do, so we're going to start off with the 10K futures account. Okay, we're going to be giving away a 10K futures account. All you have to do is open your Instagram page and go on the Instagram page with the username AquaTV Live. Okay, AquaTV Live. And then what you're going to do, I will let you know. Sorry, you're going to go on the username AquaFunded. Okay, go on Instagram, go on the username AquaFunded. Okay. They posted a recent reel. It's titled Biggest Mistake in Challenges. Comment and like that reel, and I'll pick a winner from that reel. Okay. I'm gonna put a timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds. After the timer, I'll pick a winner. So pretty much all you have to do is follow AquaFunded on Instagram, like and comment on the recent video reel of me. It has my face on it. And yeah, once you're done, just comment done on the YouTube chat. Damn, I gotta write that down. Pretty much it's simple. Just go on AquaFunded, the Instagram page, and leave a comment and a like on the recent reel. Okay, once you're done, just comment done on the YouTube chat. Futures not allowed in my country. Just wait for the Forex giveaway. All right, I'm going to pick a winner. I am going to pick a winner. Who's the winner going to be? I'm going to choose a Instagram comment picker. I reposted it even. Nice. Let's see. I'm pasting the link. Scan. All right, I'm about to pick the winner. I'm about to pick the winner right now. Not sure why this website is not letting me pick the winner. Let me choose another one. Getting your comments. Okay. Pick one winner. Winners are being determined. All right, we have a winner. The winner of the 10K futures account is at tzl.r. At tzl.r. Congrats on winning a 10K futures account. Okay. If you're in the chat, if you're the winner and you're in the chat on the YouTube chat, comment, I am here. We're giving away multiple accounts, everyone. So we're going to speed it up now. Okay. Next one doesn't require you to have an Instagram page or even the app as well. So it's going to be fair. But at PZL, are you here? Yeah. Yeah. Are you? Is that you, iTrigo? All right. Okay. Congrats, iTrigo. Okay, now we're gonna give away the next 10K futures account. Gold is starting to go down. Hopefully, we can get a break below. Now we're giving away another 10K futures account. All you have to do this time is easy. Just comment a number from 1 to 30, and I'll pick the first person to guess the number that I have on my phone. So the first person to guess the correct number wins. I think we already have a winner. I can already see in the chat. We already have a winner. Let me go all the way up. Okay. The winner of the 10K futures account is trading code with me. At trading code with me, congrats on winning a 10K futures account. Now, let's give away some Forex accounts. Who wants some Forex accounts? Leave a comment. If you're ready to win a Forex account, leave a comment. Let me know. Foji, you've won yesterday, so I'm not sure if it's possible for yesterday's winners to partake in today's giveaway. Okay. Um, guys, if I pick a winner, the last comment that I want to be reading is you saying, "Oh, I've said the number first." I feel like we've had that a few times in the chat before, and some people have said that to kind of cheat, and it's not true. Okay. If you've truly said a number first and you think I made a mistake, all you have to do, screen record it, send it to me in the DMs, and I'll check. If I made a mistake, I'll correct it. Okay. Okay. So that's good, Pratam. Now, for a chance to win a 10K Forex account, all you have to do, okay, is pick a number from 30 to 79. I know it's so random. Pick a number from 30 to 79. The first person to guess the number wins a 10K Forex account. Let's see how long it will take for someone to figure it out. We have a winner, finally. Arrow Trades FX. Arrow Trades FX, congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. Arrow Trades, did you win yesterday or am I confusing you for someone else? Let me know, Arrow Trades. You want a futures account? To anyone that's won a futures account, if you are a winner of a futures account from today's stream and you want to swap a Forex account with Arrow Trades and you give him your futures, feel free to comment in the chat, speak to Arrow Trades. Arrow Trades, if someone's willing to swap with you, then yeah, I think it's Ichigo. Ichigo, speak to Ichigo and potentially agree on that. But do agree on it before the stream ends so I know. All right. Next up, Okay, so iTrigo and Arrow Trades, do you agree? You want to swap? If you want to swap, just say yes. Arrow Trade said yes. How about iTrigo? Okay, but perfect. I'll have that done. So Arrow Trades futures account. Okay, done. Now we're giving away 3 more 10K Forex accounts. Okay, that means 3 of you, 3 different people get an opportunity to win a 10K Forex account. Now, all you have to do to win the next 10K Forex account is comment a number from 1 to 32. 1 to 32. The first person to guess the number wins. And if you're looking for a discount code to use, I highly recommend you use the code AquaTV. You get 45% off a Forex account and 65% off a futures account. Okay. So in case you don't win the giveaway, you still get a massive discount. All right, let's see who the winner is. Who's going to be the lucky person? We have a winner. Life in Motion. Life in Motion. Congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. Everyone say congrats. Before we move on, say congrats. Okay, we are giving away 2 more Forex accounts. Okay, 2 more Forex accounts. That means 2 more people have the opportunity to potentially win. Now, for the next 10K Forex account, I'm going to tell you what to do. Just give me a second. You're going to go on Instagram again. Okay. You're going to open Instagram and you're going to go on the Instagram page of AquaFunded. There is a reel that is posted and it's titled Real or Fake Breakout. Okay. The Instagram video reel is titled Real or Fake Breakout. You're going to watch the entire reel. I think it's only 36 seconds. You're going to watch it from start to finish. You're going to like and you're going to leave a comment. Once you do that, you officially qualify to enter the giveaway of the 10K Forex account. Okay, again, go on Instagram, type in the username AquaFunded. Okay, the username is AquaFunded. Find the reel with the title. So you go in the Instagram video reel section and it's titled Real or Fake Breakout. Once you're done, let me know. I've put the timer for 1 minute. $30 to go. No, on Saha, it's a Instagram video reel. 30 seconds to go. If you click on the share button on that video reel and you share that with a friend, that will be good as well. Okay. So go in the reel, you click on the share button on the bottom right and share that with a friend. I'm going to add another 30 seconds so you guys can get to do that. Once you're done, just put done on the YouTube chat. Okay. So just like, comment, and share it with a friend. Okay. Time to pick the winner. Time to pick the winner of the 10K Forex account. Dini, if gold price breaks above 210 zone, are you going in for a buy or a sell? Yeah, so if gold can break 4,210 and it closes above, so I'm not just looking for a break and I'm not looking for just a break, I'm looking for a break and a close. If it closes above, what I'll wait for is now I'll monitor it actively, see how price is performing, and then I'd be interested in a long position. Obviously, my other confirmations with my strategy has to align with that as well. Okay. The winner of the 10K Forex account is at From Such Great Heights. Interesting username. From Such Great Heights. Congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. We have one more prize for this stream. Okay, one more Forex account. Now, if you want to partake in the last giveaway, this one's going to be very simple. Comment a number ranging from 1 all the way to 35. Okay, this is the chance to win a 10K Forex account, the last giveaway of this stream. Okay, 1 to 35. We have a winner. Meme dash page 69. Congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. Okay. Meme dash page 69. congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. Everyone say congrats to him. Now, how do you redeem? So if you're part of the winners of today's stream, the way you redeem the prize is you simply open a Discord ticket. You open a Discord ticket, you let them know that you're the person that commented and joined today's giveaway, and let them know that you won an account today. Alex, sorry to hear that you didn't win anything today. But hopefully on Monday you do, hopefully. With that being said, everyone, that's the end of this stream. I'm going to see you guys on Monday. Gold right now is hoping it could move a little more, but it is stuck at this point. Literal no volume with gold, or no to very little volume. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to see you on Monday. Monday, it's going to be a London session. So see you on Monday, everyone. Trade safe, take care, and have a good rest of your day. And to yesterday's winners, I'm going to speak with the team and let them know your names so you can message the team after this stream. Take care, everyone.